Okay, it's 2:12. Hey Google, what time is it now?
2:12 a.m.
Ah. Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Michael.
Galing ah. He's my friend. Hey Google, are you my friend?
I'm your friend till the end.
Ah. Anyway, yan yung mga AI. Anyway, okay, so the usual, I have this routine now wherein I sleep early, like probably like 7:30 or 8 p.m. Then I sleep. Then I wake up at around sometimes 12:30, sometimes 2 o'clock. Then until antukin ako uli. So probably nakatulog uli ako mga 4. Then I wake up like 8 or 9. Usually 9. 9. My circadian rhythm definitely is between 9, I wake up around 9:13. Di ba? Eksakto 9:13 a.m. So anyway, yeah. I have a cold. I have a cold virus. Nahawa ako. So, paano ko naman di mahahawa? Lahat ng tao meron. I cannot avoid it. I thought I was like, Superman who can resist all the virus and infection in my body because I'm taking peptides, growth hormone peptides, which wherein the growth hormones naman stimulates the thymus gland, and the thymus gland produces the lymphocytes in the white blood cells, which helps your body fight the invaders. Uh, there's two kinds of lymphocytes. The one made in the thymus and the one made in the sa ilalim ng spine, bone marrow. Alam nyo, over the probably over the years, since I was like googling and watching podcasts, now I speak like a freaking doctor. I sometimes I can't help when I see people talk stupidly about health and science. But sometimes I don't argue anymore because sometimes it's really useless. And fact, the mere fact, even though I talk here, nobody would listen to me because, like I said, I've said so many times. Well, I'm not a doctor. I'm only, I can call myself a specialist because I research on such matters in regards to anti-aging and in types of health. Okay, so actually now my biggest challenge now is, well, I'm experimenting with the peptides. The I'm gonna do another experiment with the peptides, which is responsible in repairing your collagen in the body, especially in the face. The peptide, pakita ko sa inyo. Ah, actually, natimpla ko na siya. This is GHK copper. I bought, wala rito sa Philippines, but I bought this in Thailand. Uh, Remember, the peptides you cannot buy them. You can buy them in a pharmacy or a hospital or any medical clinic or any big hospital. You can only buy them at a compounding pharmacy. But of course, you need to find them because they're not advertised. Only the doctors have access to compounding pharmacies. Okay, because the only one who can prescribe the peptides, because although peptides are normal, they exist in the body. Okay, they are still what do you call this? Not wala pang, of course, like in order for the FDA, for the Drug Administration or the Health Organization, World Health Organizations to approve it, it will take a lifetime, like 20 years, to see kung may side effect or wala. By the time, patay na kayo. So, I'm doing the experiment myself. Well, of course, I seek help, I seek help in people doing it in YouTube and podcasts of doctors talking about it. Actually, even the doctors are doing it. They themselves are injecting themselves with peptides to keep themselves young. Okay. I mean, of course, you're into anti-aging, okay? If you're into anti-aging, of course, sino uunahin mo? Sarili mo. Correct? Do you want to die? Nobody would say, I want to die, except those lunatics or stupid beings, you know? Uh, so, you know what? Every time there's a doctor, actually, nakikipagkwentuhan lang ako sa inyo. Wala akong kausap. Wala akong makausap kasi madaling araw na, no? Uh, Even the doctors, of course, they experiment on themselves, right? So they want to find out what's really, they have really identified. Okay, I saw one doctor. She's new. Uh, Marami na ako na-meet. Uh, I won't mention the name. See, my favorite is last week. Um, the I think he's Jewish. Jewish. Anyway, alam mo mga Jews, they're intelligent. Salute. Probably they're born with a brain. And alam ba sino ba ang pinakamatalino na lahi? Germans. They're very intelligent. You know? Um, in, ang meaning ko na intelligent, not yung I can multiply 1,325,444 divided by the square root of 2. Hindi yon. Yung intelligent means you know so much facts and then at the same time you follow the path of logic and rationality. Okay? Medyo malalim yon, intindihin na lang yan. I have this codes. Okay? So yun yun. No? Alam mo, okay, when I see an anti-aging doctor or a podcast or people talking about it, and then they have some new experimental lifestyle they are prescribing to their clients or them with themselves. Ang una ko tinitingnan yung, of course, yung mukha nila. Like, um, if you discovered anti-aging, bakit ang pangit pa rin ang mukha mo? Or may marami kang wrinkles? Or ba't ka nagpa-opera? That's the reason why that's the reason why hindi ko kayang, although I know a lot of doctors, I know I've been to Thailand, I've been to Korea, even here in the Philippines, I know the best surgeons. I know the cheap surgeons. I know who are good in lifting brow lift, V lift, deep plane, fascia, fat transfer, name it. Padagdag dito, fillers, I don't do fillers. I don't do fillers. I only do PRP. I inject my own blood in my face. Okay? I extract the stem cells and then inject them here and then in my hair, in my scalp to activate it. It works. For me, it works. Dati, ang lalim lang dito ko. I was losing fats here. I was losing fats. Talagang lubog. Yan. Anyway, I'm supposed to do a podcast 12:15, 2:15, and I'm still recording. I cannot go live, you know why? Because ang pangit ng camera ng Facebook. If you go live, so I do it via Zoom. And at least, if I do make a mistake, then I can erase it. I can record again. So anyway, I don't record again. What you see is what you get. Kamali man ako, magkamali man ako. Kung pangit itsura ko, wala kang magagawa. Okay? You know what? I'm not scared. Okay, another topic I want to open up. You know what? I'm not scared to who I really am. You know? May pagkabaliw ako. True. Baliw ako. Baliw ako because I hate boring things. Ayoko yung paulit-ulit. Ayoko yung tatanga-tanga. Okay? Ayoko yung walang challenge. No? Ayoko yung buhay ko, yun ang yun. Yun ang yun hanggang mamatay ako, yun ang yun. You better kill me. Sometimes we need excitement in life. That's why I always jump. I jump from one career to the other. You know? Alam niyo ba ang feeling ko, I'm still 22 or 25. Sometimes, you know what, I forget na huy, matanda na pala ako. Sometimes, you know what, things get into my head like, alam mo, parang gusto ko mag-waiter ulit. Parang minsan ko, shit, sinong restaurant tatanggap sa akin with my age? Okay? Although I can move fast. I'm faster than a 25-year-old guy. Okay? I just have to practice on my sprint. Sprint is the determination of your age and your health. Okay? How you have to run the fastest as you can and time it. Okay? If you run as fast as you can for at the speed of like 50 kilometers, I don't know, the fastest you can. Well, some people who cannot run anymore because they have broken knees, and sorry to say, that's the start of aging. You have to cure that. It can be cured. You know? Ako, there was a time, inom ako na inom, nagkaroon ako ng para arthritis or what. Nawala. I took sodium bicarbonate. Then I did some squat. You need to practice your knees. You know? It's not deterioration. It's hindi mo kasi napapractice yon. Hindi mo na i-stretch para yung mga fluids lumabas, yung mga lubricant sa joint. Okay? Habang topic yun. Let's talk about some other time. So, let's talk about being myself. So, being myself, yeah. I'm so transparent. Actually, a lot of people are, alam mo, actually marami natutuwa sa akin because like, I can make them laugh. Tarantado ko eh. Tarantado, bully, ah, magaling manghamak, magaling mang-insulto, di ba? Katulad ni Burikat na sa Congress. Yung mga suot nila na ganon. Ang ina to sino ba to si Kimbo, anak ng puta. Hoy Kimbo, ano kala mo panahon ni Jose Rizal to? Ikaw si Maria Clara. Halatang walang culture. Alam mo, alam mo yung lumaking hindi naka-abroad. No offense, no offense, sorry. O hindi siguro nakakita ng Vogue magazine nung bata. Anyway, stop, okay? I won't insult anymore. Okay? Okay, patawad Kimbo. pero busit talaga ako sa'yo. Busit ako sa'yo. Sana makulong ka dyan sa ginawa mong talaga na magic sa budget. Anyway, ayoko ng politics. Anyways. So let's talk about being myself. Being ourselves, not only me. You should be yourself. Be what you are. Pinanganak ka dito sa mundong to. For a certain personality. Ikaw yan. So whatever you are, probably you were created to paint, to be a painter, to be a great dancer, to be a great singer, to be a great businessman, to create a new Android or to create a new system or or in terms of creativity. Ako lang talaga magaling ako sa marketing. That's one thing I'm good at. I can sense immediately what is wrong with the business or with yourself. Ano yung mali sa mga tao? No? In order to be effective, in order to sell, in order to mingle with society, I can tell immediately, baguhin mo yung mukha mo nakakabwisit. Yung damit mo, ang pangit. Or the way you talk, it's wrong. The way you pronounce yourself, it's wrong, a lot of things. And then, magdurugas ka, you have to stop it. Konting pera lang, sisilaw ka na. Okay? Maraming ganon. Sa konting halaga, sa konting barya, nasisira yung personalidad. Okay? Tumatakbo at 10,000, 12,000. Fucking stupid. Tatakbo ka, di 1 billion ang takbo mo. Di ba? Sisirain mo pangalan mo, 10,000. That I cannot comprehend. Because that for me is stupidity. Hindi sa nagnakaw ka or what. It's stupid. Magnanakaw ka, 10,000? Anyway, probably siguro deprived kayo ng bata or alam mo, ako naman, there came a time, walang-wala ako, na zero ako, ha. I can still count the 3 situations in my life that I became zero. I became zero. Imagine mo, nangungutang ako ng $500 or $300 dahil wala na akong magastos. Due to circumstances. Because during that time, because there were people like, pressuring me. Kasi kung ako lang mabubuhay ako, just let me be free. I can live anywhere in the world. That was my dream. And I fulfilled it. Sabi ko noon, alam mo, someday, kahit saan ako mapunta, anong city, anong country, mabubuhay ako. And I made the formula work. Di ba? Sa Subic ako, sabi ko, teka muna, gastos ako ng gastos sa Subic for my vacation. Okay? So what did I do? May nakita akong unit, mura. Nirentahan ko and then ngayon ano na sa akin na for for what, the next 50 years or what. Then, ngayon pwede ko pa Airbnb. Then, bumili din ako ng beach resort doon, Zambales, na pinagkakitaan ko yon. Then, bumili ako ng lupa sa bundok. Yon, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Kasi inaantay ko yung kalye matayo. Pero ang ganda ron, overlooking. Overlooking the whole Bataan and Zambales. And it's close. Paglabas mo lang ng tollway, ando na. Anyway, so I love real estate development. I love doing renovations. Although it's so fucking tiring, it's so fucking taxing. Wherein, mamimili ka ng gamit, you have to update yourself. Ano na ba yung bagong wall cladding? Ano na yung bagong toilet? Ano na yung bagong cabinet? Ano na yung bagong kama? Ano na yung bagong ganito? So, ano yung bagong TV? Nagmura na ba? May smart TV na ba? May 4HD, may Ultra, may blah, may blah, may blah. It's a constant research which I love. Madugo, but I love it. Okay? So that's what I want. What I'm doing now is what I wanted. I'm happy with what I'm doing now. You know? Madugo yung plaka ko kasi I'm sorting it out. Pinapalitan ko yung cover, nililinis ko, pinapricing namin kasi bibenta ko na. No? We're gonna start doing live selling. Abangan nyo. For those who want a preview of my records, mauna kayo to get my collectibles. Of course, they're not gonna be cheap. Katulad ng mga original BST company, Smoky Mountain, Shasha Padilla, Bobby Enriquez Records, Bong Piñera, Samba Song, I have that, Basil Valdez, Coolie Desma, original press, local press, and mint condition. And I have all the collectibles. Name it. They'll be happy with my collection. And I'll be happy to share it. I'll be happy. You know what? So, yung bahay ko sa Bikutan, kung nasaan yung mga aso ko, which I'm renting it out with my best friend, Biko. No? He's the owner. Anyway, so, bala ko rin gawin ng parang wine bar na parang habang buibili ka ng plaka, nakikinig ka, then you can drink wine and canapes and, you know, crackers, cheese, garlic, sardines, pizza. So that's what I want to do. I want some. Then you have candles in the garden. There's a garden there. I have 2 pocket gardens, so don't bed there. So listen to music, you know, talk about old times, talk about the happy days of the 60s and the 70s and the 80s and the 90s, you know, hagad giraffe. I think tumigil yung happiness after giraffe. No? Well, after giraffe, I migrated to Olongapo sa clubbing. Yung Aposaga. Sayang doon. Anyway, those are the happy days. Ang uwi ko alas 5 ng umaga, may araw na. And hindi na ako bata noon. And I'm still doing fucking clubbing. Thank God, I know how to maintain myself. Kung hindi losyang na ako, tsura ko. You know? I think that's it for now. For me, okay, to close it, no? Just be yourself. Just be yourself and live a quality life. Misa ka lang mabuhay. Do not fucking waste it. Wag. Stop fighting with losers. You know? Ignore them. Ang dami ko ng friends. Chak, pak. Because ayokong hilahin nila ako pababa. I only talk to people whom I know they can pull me up to my senses. Although, pakunti na ng pakunti. Because, medyo, pag umaangat ka, pakunti na yung taong nasa taas mo. It's lonely at the top. That's very true. Because you'll be alone. You'll be alone. Especially if you're doing the right things in life, you'll end up alone. So you need to learn to be your own best friend. That's why I'm talking to you, to myself. Hey Google, do you love me?
I can't feel romantic love, but I think you are wonderful.
Stupid. Anyway, I sometimes I love playing with that fucking Google. You know what? I can even ask my schedule because I list all my schedule in my Google Calendar. If I say what's going to be my schedule for today, then he will tell me to pay the bills, blah 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 blah. And it's just a fucking small clock. You need to buy it. Although wala dito yun eh. Sa Tokyo meron. Australia meron. Asia wala. Parang wala. I bought it in Australia. So, I think that's it. Mahaba na. It's 2:30. So, meron ba akong gamot ko pampatulog ulit? So, I need to go back to bed, watch TV, fucking political views. Minsan nakakasawa rin yung political. Minsan nakakasawa rin yung anti-aging. Wala namang magandang pelikula. Ba't ko sayangin ang sarili ko sa pelikulang wala akong matutunan? And then, ang pangit ang gawa. Naabangan ko yung kay Nora Honor. Then, The Rapist of Pepsi Paloma. Maraming maganda sa February, Yung kay Daryl Yap, Rapist. Then, yung kay Nora. Ano ba yun? Maligno? And then, something like that. Na healer siya. Then, meron pa isa yung Balota will be shown kay Marian. Hindi ko napanood yun pero maganda raw maganda yung acting niya. Balota will be shown Netflix next week. Yun. So far, kay Trump, I think I already made a blog about Trump. I don't know. I forgot. Let's talk about Trump. And gusto ko yung mga pinirmahan niya. Okay? Alam mo, kala nyo liberated ako, but still, I'm fucking so conservative. Gusto ko yung simpleng buhay. Ayoko ng intricacies. Ayoko ng complications. I want simple. I want simple, standard, and within God's boundary. You know? Yun lang ako. Simple life that in accordance to God, to God's principles and morals, and you don't hurt anybody. Wala kang ginugulangan. Ako ay nakugulangan. Okay lang, gulangan niyo ako. Milyon, okay lang. That's life. Pwede man ako gumawa ng milyon Hindi naman ako nauubusan ng project. Di ba? Ang dami nagpaparenovate sa akin. Non-stop. So, doon lang punong-puno na ako Kahapon lang, ang dami ko in order. I'm repairing now yung Azure. Then, I have a next project in BGC. Complete renovation, Forbes Wood, flooring, walls, lahat ng toilet, backlash. Papalitan ng smart toilet, papalitan ng bagong shower enclosure. Kasi yung mga shower enclosure may mga silver. Wala na yun, nilulumot na yun. Ang hirap linisin nun. Tapos yung soap scam, kumakapit, hindi na uso yun. So, pa-renovate na kayo sa akin. Tawagan nyo ako, mura lang ako. Walang tatalo sa akin. Mukha lang akong mahal because cute. but I'm cheap. I think that's it. Let's go back to bed. 3 na.